In this makeup tutorial, we'll be using 3 different types of SFX makeup. One is going to be just drawn on fake scars, liquid latex scars, and the other is going to be rigid collodion scars. Hopefully this makeup will inspire you for your Halloween look and also help you with it as well. So let's go and get started. The first fake scar that we're going to go and do is going to be with liquid latex. First, you're going to start off with a very light red base or a light brown base, either or of them depending on what you want to go and do and how old you want it to go and look for the scar. Then you're going to go and put liquid latex and follow the line that you put down of cosmetic. Now keep in mind too, as you follow this, you're going to want to make sure that you do open your mouth if you're putting it on your lip, and it does take a while to go and dry. So after it's dried, and as you can see I have the other 2 scars on as well, like this really takes a long time to dry, go and cover this with red cosmetic. After it's covered with red cosmetic, go and blend it slightly, and then go back over it with red powdered cosmetic to take off some of the shine from the liquid latex. From there, follow some of the divots with black cosmetic along with the outside of the scar. Go and brush it with setting powder. This is going to make it look a little bit more dull, and after you're done, it should look like this. Now on to the next. This is rigid collodion. Rigid collodion is a lot of fun to go and use, but you should use it safely. First, we're going to start off with red cosmetic or a red base, and when you're putting this on, keep in mind that rigid collodion should not be used anywhere near the mouth, eyes, or into the hairline because it will rip out your hair, and it is not safe for going and using on the eyes or eyelids or also on the mouth. Go and blend out the red cosmetic. After that is blended out, follow in small portions and make it slightly darker in different areas, and then put on the first layer of rigid collodion. This is the Mayron brand rigid collodion. This one you usually don't need to fully and totally prep your skin, but rigid collodion you typically do want to prep your skin with Prozaid or another product as well that is going to be safer for your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. I'm putting on 3 layers and it takes about a minute for it to dry each time, and then brushing it with setting powder to go and take off some of the shine. It should look like this after you're done. Now onto the last scar. This one is going to be just painted on with special effects makeup. I am using a water-based palette. You can also use grease, but I do suggest water. It's a lot easier to go and use, and grease palettes can just be so gross. After you have the red line down, what you're going to go and do is blend this, follow up on the side with black cosmetic in a very small line, and keep in mind where there's going to be shadow, there's going to be light, so go and follow where the black line is on the outside with a small amount of white cosmetic. After you have that down, it should look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this makeup has helped you to figure out what you want to go and do for your Halloween costume or cosplay.